babe, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing this gorgeous deep wave unit that I got from Yolissa Hair. Now let me show you guys all the cute stuff that they sent me in my package. They sent me a bunch of goodies that I'm going to be using in this install. So first things first, I pulled my hair in a ponytail, y'all. Look how long my hair has gotten. Like, it's so crazy, thanks to prenatals and also genetics, because honestly, I'm just gonna be real, my hair grows really fast. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a quick install. I am not gluing this wig down. This is actually gonna be a glueless unit. I haven't done one in a while, and I really wanted to do a glueless unit. As you guys know, when you're pregnant, the last thing you want to do is fidget with your hair and fidget with glue unless you got something important going on. So I'm gonna measure this wig on my head, see how it fits. This curls are so pretty. I posted a picture of this wig and y'all was eating it up. You guys loved this unit and could not wait to get the information. So here I come with the details. So first things first, I am gonna go ahead and tint my lace. I did a darker foundation, so I used my Revlon 450. It's my true and true foundation color that just works whenever I'm applying a wig, and it just works, babes. It does. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fit it to my head, and then I'm gonna be using my Tresemme Super Hold spray. So I'm using the number 5 one. As you guys can see, this lace is melted. I haven't even done anything to it yet, and it already looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Extra Hold hairspray by Tresemme. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hairline. Like I said, I'm doing a glueless unit. I want it to be quick, fast and easy, and not have to glue my edges down, because I love my edges. I want my edges to continue to grow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay this lace down, and I'm gonna blow dry it so it can set in place. Go ahead and cut the lace. I'm using my razor first to cut the lace, just so I could get the jagged look. After that, honestly, I just use my scissors because it's faster. But yeah, I'm basically gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and then after that, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tresemme Holding spray, and I'm gonna use that around the hairline to just make sure I get that melt. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my hairspray on my fingers, and then I'm just gonna press it around the hairline so I could get that melt. And then I'm just gonna use my blow dryer on warm to dry it and set it in place. Once it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush, just the leftover part of the foundation, and I'm just gonna press it in so I could get that melt that I'm looking for. Yeah, so that's basically all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same to the other side as well. go ahead and lay my baby hair. I did spray a little bit of my holding spray on my comb, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just lay down my baby hair how I like it. I didn't really want to do the whole like curling of the baby hair, all that. Nah, I just wanted to just make it look really subtle and simple. Like I said, I just want a quick install. Like, this is literally it, a quick install. But as you guys can see, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. I love how the curls are starting from the root all the way to the end. I'm gonna show you guys a full like 360 of this unit. Now this wig is 26 inches and it is 250% density, hence why it's so full. But honestly, I honestly think it's worth it. It's literally, it's just so beautiful. Like, it's a gorgeous unit. Like, it's so gorgeous. This how it looks like with it in the middle part, and then I'm gonna do like a flip over method, which I actually ended up loving a lot. The flip over method ate down, girl, it's down. So I'm just gonna do a flip over method, and yeah, this is how my install turned out to look. A very simple, easy install, quick, ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm just gonna fluff it out and just play with it a little bit. And yeah, that's basically how I installed this gorgeous unit from Yolissa. I am gonna link this wig in the description down below if you guys are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye boo.